This video will show you how to replace the drive belt on this Troy-Bilt walk-behind mower. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Remove the spark plug ignition wire. Using the Arnold siphon pump, drain the fuel tank and oil tank. Remove the self-tapping screw from the side of the deck. Tip the mower on its side with the air filter up. Wearing gloves for protection, secure the blade using the Arnold blade removal tool. Remove the blade retaining bolt. Then remove the blade. Remove the self-tapping screws that secure the engine baffle to the deck. Remove the baffle. Remove the self-tapping screw that secures the belt cover to the deck. Remove the spring from the transmission pulley to the belt cover. Working from the rear of the mower, remove the belt from the engine pulley and then the transmission pulley. Replace with a new belt. First, route the belt around the engine pulley and then around the transmission pulley by threading it through the belt keeper, making sure to go through the belt keepers. Retighten the self-tapping screw, securing the belt cover. Secure the spring from the transmission to the belt cover. Replace the engine baffle and secure it with the self-tapping screws. Wearing gloves, attach the blade using the Arnold blade removal tool. Replace the blade retaining bolts and blade adapter. Tip the mower back onto its wheels. Replace the self-tapping screw from the side of the deck. Reattach the spark plug ignition wire.